Hi friends, today I am talking on a new amendment of the Act which came whereby the tax collected at source on foreign remittance by residents has been implemented. The Government of India through the Reserve Bank of India gets statistics that Indian residents spends a lot of money on overseas trips, overseas leisure trips. Besides that, residents send their children to study abroad. They send gifts to overseas relations, to maintain relations, all under liberalized remittance scheme, LRS commonly known, and the banks send the money within the limit from time to time, which currently is $250,000, $2.5 lakh, and it's per year limit of April to March. So government brought an amendment to the Act in the Income Tax Act, whereby if any resident in India now wants to remit funds outside India under LRS scheme, and if the amount annually remitted is more than 7 lakh rupees, then there is a 5%, again I repeat, there is a tax collected at source of 5% of the remittance value. So the cash flow wise, now the person who is remitting the money needs to arrange the basic amount and 5% amount on top of that. Whether it's a education fees, whether it's a maintenance, medical, all sorts of remittances are covered by this 5% cess, 5% tax collected at source. So you will be wondering whether it's an additional cost to you. You'll be wondering what is the logic behind this tax. To clarify you, government feels that there are quite a few people who does not file their tax returns but still remit the money, or they file the tax return but their quantum of income is very less as compared to what remittance they send overseas. Could be genuine money, but by bringing this tax at source, they want to make sure that such people do file their tax return. The tax officer gets an opportunity to see the genuine source of funds, and in this process some ingenuine source of fund can be caught and that can be brought to the tax net. Now the second question comes, is it an additional cost to you? No, this is not an additional cost to you, but yes, it is an additional cash outflow for you. Why it is not additional cost to you is this amount paid by you as 5% tax collected at source by the bankers reflects on your permanent account number in tax credit statement like an advance tax. When this is considered as an advance tax, hence whatever is your tax liability in that year on your income in India for which you file a tax return, you get an offset of this tax collected at source as tax credit into your tax liability. Therefore, if there is a tax refund, then you will get the tax refund. If there is a tax liability post adjustment of this 5%, you have to pay the tax, but indirectly this 5% gets offsetted in your tax liability. The only drawback is when you remit the money, you have to have cash flow available for the basic remittance and 5%. This tax collected at source is applicable on each time you remit the money once your remittances are more than 7 lakh rupees in a year. Be careful about this tax and be aware how you can take tax credit and do not get it lapsed to your cost. Thank you.